Check this out, this is DeWalt's brand new 54 volt cordless axial blower. Powered by any flex volt battery, this 54 volt blower features a brushless motor spinning DeWalt's brand new axial high performance fan design. Now, the fan design allows this unit to turn over 18.4 cubic meters of air every minute at an airspeed velocity of 200 k's per hour. You'll notice there's a lot of rubber overmold on the grip. It's really comfortable to hold onto. There's variable speed on the trigger. If you want to give that trigger finger a rest, there's cruise control as well. Now at full tilt, I got 12.5 minutes of continuous runtime off one 9 amp hour flex volt battery. And while she's at full tilt, she's also putting out a good note, so you need to wear some hearing protection while you blow. 54 volt cordless axial blower is available right now all by itself or in a kit form with a 9 amp hour flex volt battery and a fast charger. For more info on this beefy blower, go over to sydneytools.com.au right now or drop into your local Sydney Tools store. Until next time, thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.